Best Sliding Window Air Conditioner. In this video, we review top 5 best sliding window air conditioner. Number 1. Frigidaire FFRS0822S1 8000 BTU AC. This Frigidaire sliding window AC removes 8 kBTUs of heat per hour, so does a good job cooling space up to 350 square feet. It has a good group of features. Here are the key points to consider. Width: 14.2 inches. Features: 24-hour timer, full-function remote, sleep mode, energy saver mode, 3-speed fan. Pros: narrow window AC, has all the features needed for convenience and making the room comfortable. Positive ratings are 73% to 77%. Cons: nothing major. Energy saver mode reduces cooling, but that should be expected. You might want to use plexiglass instead of the foam supplied to fill the gap between the top of the AC and the top of your window opening. Negative ratings are about 12% to 14%. Many of them have to do with the unit being dented upon arrival, something Frigidaire seems to have addressed with better packaging. Number 2. Koldfront CAC8000W 8000 BTU 115 VAC. This is an 8000 BTU Koldfront casement window air conditioner with basic features only. On the positive side, this is an Energy Star casement AC that delivers lower operating costs. Compared with the Frigidaire model, it is an affordable sliding window air conditioner. Width: 14.2 inches. Features: full-function remote, energy saver mode, 3-speed fan. Pros: Energy Star. Compact window AC. Affordable. Positive ratings are 74% to 76%. Cons: doesn't have a timer. Number 3. Arctic King 8000 BTU Slide Casement Window AC. This Arctic King sliding window AC delivers 8 kBTUs of cooling. It has an auto restart mode, so that if the unit is running when there is a power outage, it will turn back on at the same thermostat setting when power is restored. When you choose to follow me mode, the AC will use the temperature where you and the remote are to determine how much cooling it puts out. Width: 14.6 inches. Features: full-function remote, auto restart, single-speed fan, sleep mode. Pros: Energy Star. Compact window AC. Positive ratings are about 80%. Cons: doesn't have a timer. The single-speed fan doesn't allow for quieter, gentler cooling. Weighs more than most slider window air conditioners and is slightly wider than other 8 kBTU models. Number 4. Perfect Aire 3PASC10000 Window AC. This 10,000 BTU casement window AC has a lot of features that improve indoor comfort. The remote includes a separate thermostat. This unit also has to follow me mode, see the Koldfront AC description. AC mode lowers the temperature. Fan mode moves the air and creates a little white noise. Dry mode dehumidifies the room without cooling. It's an ideal model for cool, damp spring and fall days when you want to get rid of the clammy feeling. You can also choose auto mode, which selects the best mode to meet the thermostat requirement based on indoor climate conditions. Width: 14.5 inches. Features: remote, auto restart, cool, fan, dry, auto modes, sleep mode 2, programmable timer. Pros: this Perfect Aire casement window AC is more compact than some 8000 BTU models. It has the widest range of features available and is light. 67% to 70% of the reviews are positive. Cons: louder than most other casement window units. That is the biggest complaint, so this unit might not be the right choice for bedroom installation. About 15% of the reviews are critical. Number 5. Frigidaire FFRS1022R1 10,000 BTU AC. This is from the same Frigidaire series as the unit above but in the 10,000 BTU slider window air conditioner size. The Frigidaire 10,000 BTU window AC for horizontal windows has a full range of convenience and comfort features, including a 24-hour timer that allows you to program when the unit runs. The timer allows you to leave home with the unit off, and if programmed, it will come on and cool your space before you arrive. That's the best way to reduce energy use and still have a comfortable room or apartment. Width: 14.5 inch. Features: remote, programmable timer, 3-speed fan with auto setting, cool, fan only, and energy saver modes. Pros: good climate control features, the affordable cost for a 10 Kelvin sliding window air conditioner. 77% to 80% of reviews are positive. Cons: about 15% of the reviews are critical. The biggest concern is that it might be damaged on delivery. You can return it to Amazon for replacement or refund, but that's an inconvenience.